Robot vacuum and mops are perfect for hassle-free, everyday cleaning. They combine strong suction and efficient mopping to tackle dirt, dust, pet hair, and stains on all floor types. Equipped with smart navigation, obstacle detection, and features like auto-emptying and mop self-cleaning, they work seamlessly around your home. Controlled via app or voice, they save time and effort, making them a great choice for busy households looking for a reliable, low-maintenance cleaning solution. So, let's get started. Number 5. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Intelligent Cleaning Redefined. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo delivers cutting-edge cleaning convenience with powerful performance and smart automation. Designed for busy homes, it transforms everyday floor maintenance into a seamless, hands-free experience. All in one cleaning station. Enjoy total automation with mop pads that are washed using clean water and dried with 45 degrees Celsius heated air. The 2.5L dust bag needs replacement only every 2 months, while the 3L clean water tank provides enough capacity to mop up to 2,000 sq-ft 2 and 3 times. 8,000 Pascal suction power. Equipped with impressive suction strength, the X10 Pro Omni removes pet hair and embedded debris in carpets and hard floors with ease, achieving deep cleaning in a single pass. MopMaster 2.0 technology. This system lifts the mop 12 mm on carpets to avoid dampness and applies the perfect amount of pressure for a sparkling clean on delicate hardwood floors. AI to SE Smart Cleaning. Featuring advanced AI-powered obstacle recognition, the X10 Pro Omni identifies over 100 common household objects, including wires, shoes, and pet toys, even in low light. Customize your cleaning routine through the intuitive mobile app. Auto-detangling roller brush. Say goodbye to manual hair removal. The self-cleaning roller brush rotates in reverse and deploys the Pro Detangle Comb to automatically eliminate tangled hair. IPath Laser Navigation. Eufy's exclusive laser technology maps your home with precision, creating optimized routes for fast, thorough cleaning. With intelligent features and high-performance design, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni brings a new level of efficiency to robotic home cleaning. The next is Number 4. iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo. The ultimate robot vacuum and mop with auto-wash dock. The iRobot Roomba Combo is a powerful robot vacuum and mop combo that delivers an intelligent, deep clean with minimal effort. Packed with cutting-edge features, it's designed to tackle everyday messes, so you don't have to. Deep edge-to-edge cleaning. The advanced dual clean mop pads with Perfect Edge extend coverage by 18%, while Smart Scrub technology offers 2x deeper scrubbing to eliminate stubborn dirt like dried coffee or grime, leaving your floors spotless. Powerful multi-surface performance. With 70x more suction power compared to the Roomba 600 series, a multi-surface rubber brush, edge-sweeping brush, and precision mop pads, it handles everything from dust to pet messes with ease. Clearview Pro LiDAR Navigation. Whether day or night, this system expertly maps your home for complete coverage while sensors prevent falls downstairs. Precision Vision AI technology. It recognizes and avoids everyday obstacles like cords, socks, and even pet waste, adjusting cleaning routes and repeating passes when needed for optimal results. Smart Auto Wash Dock. Enjoy up to 75 days of auto emptying and 4 weeks of pad washing and drying. The Auto Wash Dock refreshes mop pads continuously and dries them with heated air to maintain cleaning performance. Versatile cleaning modes. Choose vacuum, mop, combo, or vacuum then mop modes. Mop pads auto lift on carpets for seamless cleaning across surfaces. Smart app and voice control. Use the new Roomba Home app or voice commands via Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant for targeted, customized cleaning. The Roomba Plus 505 Combo brings elite convenience and deep cleaning to your fingertips. The next is Number 3. Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni. Intelligent, effortless cleaning at its best. The Ecovacs Deebot X9 Pro Omni is a groundbreaking robot vacuum and mop that redefines hands-free cleaning with exceptional performance, real-time mop washing, and AI-enhanced navigation. Designed for homes with pets, carpets, and mixed surfaces, it takes convenience to the next level. Ultimate hands-free cleaning. The X9 Pro Omni takes the chore out of daily cleaning. With powerful vacuuming, mopping, and smart AI navigation, it delivers a truly automated cleaning experience. No manual work required. Fresh mop every time. Unlike most robots that clean their mop every 10 to 20 minutes, the Osmo roller system washes itself continuously as it mops, leaving no streaks or dirty water behind. Your floors remain spotless, odor-free, and fresh. Blast Airflow Plus 16,600 Pascal suction. Combining enhanced airflow with ultra-strong suction, the X9 Pro delivers over 137% better carpet cleaning. It easily lifts embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair, making it ideal for high-traffic and pet-friendly homes. Zero Tangle 3.0. Say goodbye to frustrating hair tangles. With a V-shaped main brush and tangle-resistant side brushes, hair is collected efficiently without wrapping, saving time and effort. Triple Lift System. The robot automatically lifts its mop on carpets, raises the side brush for larger debris, and lifts the main brush during spills to prevent cross-contamination, perfect for homes with mixed flooring. Edge-to-edge coverage. The extended Osmo roller and side brush reach corners and edges with precision, ensuring no dust or dirt is left behind. The Deebot X9 Pro Omni delivers deep, smart, and truly hands-free home cleaning. The next is Number 2. Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Smarter, deeper cleaning made easy. The Shark Robot Vacuum is designed to redefine smart home cleaning with intelligent automation, powerful performance, and edge-to-edge precision. Hands-free cleaning for a month. With a 60-day auto-empty base, automatic water refills that last up to 30 days, and post-clean mop pad washing and drying, this robot delivers nearly a full month of maintenance-free operation. 5 Power Detect cleaning technologies. Tackle every cleaning challenge with precision. The robot uses 5 smart technologies to detect and clean hidden debris, edge dirt, and stubborn stains, adjusting suction and scrubbing intensity to match every surface. 2x better cleaning coverage. Never Stuck technology allows the robot to lift over obstacles and thresholds, while it automatically lifts the mop pad when crossing carpets, ensuring uninterrupted whole home coverage without leaving wet messes behind. Smart dirt and stain detection. Dirt Detect identifies dusty areas and boosts vacuum power. Stain Detect recognizes heavily soiled spots, increasing mopping power by taking multiple cleaning passes to remove stuck-on grime. Advanced Edge Cleaning. With Edge Detect, the robot blasts air to dislodge dirt from walls and corners during vacuuming. During mopping, it extends the mop pad up to 1 inch for comprehensive edge cleaning. 360 degrees LiDAR and 3D obstacle avoidance. Navigate your home effortlessly with cutting-edge mapping and object detection that adapts in real time. Customizable control. Set schedules, map your home, establish no-go zones, or target specific messes, all from the intuitive app. The Shark Power Detect Never Touch Pro offers the ultimate in intelligent, worry-free cleaning. The next is Number 1. Roborock S8 Maxv Ultra Robot Vacuum and Sonic Mop Ultimate Smart Cleaning Solution. The Roborock S8 Maxv Ultra sets a new benchmark in home automation with its advanced cleaning technologies and intelligent design. Engineered for hands-free, deep cleaning performance, it's the ideal companion for modern households. All-in-one dock. This multifunctional dock handles auto-emptying, hot water mop washing, mop drying, self-cleaning, water refilling, and detergent dispensing. It also includes off-peak charging and intelligent dirt detection for spotless floors and hassle-free maintenance. Unmatched suction power. With a powerful 10,000 pascals vacuum, it penetrates deep into carpets and hard floors. Dual rollers reduce hair tangles while integrated scrapers handle hidden debris for efficient cleaning. Edge-to-edge performance. The FlexiArm side brush and extra edge mop reach corners and edges within 1.68 millimeters. Combined with a 185 RPM mop speed, it removes hidden dirt effortlessly. Viberize 3.0 Sonic Mopping System. Featuring dual vibration modules and high-speed scrubbing 4,000 times/min, It tackles stubborn stains and lifts when needed to avoid carpet dampening. Smart dirt detection. It detects dirt intensity and adjusts cleaning modes accordingly, ensuring remopping where needed and extra mop washes for cleaner results. Intelligent navigation. Powered by Reactive AI 2.0 and PresaSense LiDAR, it identifies up to 73 objects and adapts to room layouts using 3D mapping and multi-level mapping. Built-in voice assistant. Say "Hello Rocky" to activate voice-controlled cleaning without needing an internet connection. Pet-friendly tech includes video calling, automated pet tracking, and adorable pet snaps, making it perfect for pet owners. The Roborock S8 Maxv Ultra brings futuristic cleaning to your fingertips, so this is the best option for you to buy.